So, what do you think this picture shows us? This is the picture from 50,000 years ago, and this picture shows the influence on humanity on planet Earth 50,000 years ago. This picture shows the influence of humanity today, and did you actually know that at the current speed of the economic development, we need 3 more additional Earths to sustain or to keep the economic growth how it is? Well, of course, we don't have these 3 additional Earths, and unfortunately, Mr. President Barack Obama just cancelled his NASA plans for human space exploration. So we need to focus now on one planet, and we just have to think about sustainable and innovative solutions to keep on going. Well, this kind of thinking inspired us to develop a kind of new model of managing innovations, and this model of innovations is more open to societal expectations and also to external influences in the context of sustainable development. We called it Sustain-Innovation, and we tried to use Sustain-Innovation to help companies to manage complex trends in the field of Sustain-Innovation, like societal developments and also ecological developments. And this kind of model follows the so-called open innovation, and the open innovation in this context is used more to invite the outside world to participate in problem solving and also in creating new product prototypes, and then to launch them on the market. So we did a European-wide survey, and we asked some companies and also CEOs how they are putting sustainability in their business operating strategy. And we found out with this European-wide survey that actually there are 4 sustainable innovation trends, which are environmental technology innovation, the Catholic innovations, cradle-to-cradle innovations, and bottom-of-the-pyramid innovations. The environmental technology innovations are innovations which actually help to reduce the amount of CO2 and also reducing energy and also the resource consumption, and help to adapt to the climate change. And one example, just a simple product which can be made out of these ideas, it's like washing powder, which functions at 30 degrees and which actually saves energy, it saves water, and of course it saves CO2 emissions. So the next trend we identified is called bottom-of-the-pyramid innovation, and this trend is about serving the needs of the 4 billion people who are actually living today with less than $2 per day. And for example, in Kenya, these people are using mobile cell phone technology to pay money and also to transfer money in the different bank accounts. What does it mean for the people? With this kind of technology, the people have access to financial systems, and they have a secure money transfer, and this is a great value for them. The next trend is called cradle-to-cradle innovations, and these kind of innovations are built up around material cycles which are closed. This means that materials are 100% recyclable and they are reusable. For example, the study which we did is this kind of material, and we used ecological inks, and also we used a material which leaves behind no ecological footprint. And also, when you read this study, you can send it back to the producer. The producer will collect the study, and he will wash it with a special, of course, process and with low consumption of water and energy. He will wash it, and he will put the integrants back to the material cycle, and then after it maybe we'll do with this kind of material a new study. So it's a closed cycle. And then we have these Catholic innovations. These Catholic innovations are innovations which actually create from societal and ecological, they're creating societal and ecological benefits by minimizing the value editing process. This means that, for example, there's an internet portal which you can use, and there are listed projects from all around the world and also from your local neighborhood. And there you, as an individual, you can choose the project. You can donate your money, your time, and know-how to help these people, to help the social entrepreneurs somewhere who are realizing their sustainable solutions. So, with these 4 trends and the sustainability model in mind, I would like to invite you to just imagine or think how you could contribute to solving the social and environmental problems, and also to try to rebalance our relationship with the only one planet which we have. Thank you very much.
Takes a lot of doing.
Yes, of course.
We keep hearing about the mounting climate problems and economical problems and water shortage and energy and all the other issues that seem to have all of a sudden hit us all at once. Any ideas on how individual people can actually pick the thing that they really want to work on and concentrate their energies, seeing as it's kind of impossible to throw yourself at everything?
I think there are many possibilities. First of all, everybody of us is a consumer. And as a consumer, you have really the voice to make changes and to make the companies aware that maybe you are not really, you don't want really to buy this kind of products which actually are served to us and which actually kind of destroying the environment. So you have voice as a consumer. As an individual person, you can donate something, you can get involved in projects, you can get involved in NGOs. So everybody has the power to change something. And I think also the concept of TED is showing that everybody who wants to change and then they can find the people and that the change will really come.
Great. Okay. Thank you.